Hey friends, Dane with Import Image here, and we are talking about a 4-part series called Cheap Thrills, Tight Turns, where we're going to be discussing 4 different brands of coilovers, their offerings, and what brings you to them. So today we're going to be talking about BC Racing and their lineup, particularly the BR series and the DS series, as both of those are the most popular options. BC does have a few other options as far as coilover models like the RM and ER series. But we don't really do too much with those, so we're going to stick to what we know with our bread and butter with the BC, BR, and DS series kit. So starting with the BR is the entry level. That's been like the gold standard for an entry level coilover for 20 years. The old adage goes, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. That's kind of been the set with the BR series coils. They use a linear style shock. They have decent spring rates. So I mean, it'll be comfortable. And it'll do what you need it to do. It'll lower the car. BC does also offer custom features like extreme low, and you can also do a swift spring upgrade. The difference between the standard kit and the extreme low is that the extreme low uses a shorter spring and shorter shock body that allows you to lower the car more than the standard kit will. Pretty cut and dry with that. So the BR kit goes for $11.95, and then looking up to the DS kit, the DS kit will be a little bit more ride friendly. The DS kit uses digressive style valving. So the difference between the two is how the fluid moves through the shock and piston. With digressive style setups, it is a little bit more of a more comfortable ride. The spring rates will be the same, but the big difference you'll see between like a linear BR series versus the DS is that the DS will soak up smaller road bumps a little bit better, and overall it's just a higher performing shock. So the DS, a lot of other brands don't even offer a linear style shock, so that's nice that BC still does to help keep the cost down. But if you are looking for the best ride between the two, the DS would be your move. The DS goes for $13.95, and a lot of the standard DS style kits are readily available. So with BC, you can do custom upgrades like extreme low, custom spring rates, do a swift spring upgrade, but that's going to significantly enhance your lead time. So your best bet would be an off-the-shelf kit if you're looking for something quick. We carry all of BC's offerings here at Import Image, so if you, your mom, your dog, your friend, your aunt, uncle, brother, sister, looking for a set of coilovers.
What about the baby mama?
Oh, and your baby mama too. She needs coils, especially if she's going to be carting around a baby, needs something comfortable, so go for the DS. Thanks for watching.